In this short video, I will highlight how Cloud Range is revolutionizing cybersecurity readiness. 75% of organizations say the cybersecurity skill shortage increases their risk. With threats evolving daily, traditional education and certifications aren't enough, and on-the-job training in cyber defense isn't an option when the stakes are this high. Cloud Range delivers the world's first full-service, customizable cyber attack simulation training platform, trusted by SOC and incident response teams and enterprises worldwide. Cloud Range accelerates cyber defense skills through proprietary, hands-on simulation training and assessments. What sets us apart? No hardware or infrastructure. Deployment is seamless. Our team-based training builds essential collaboration skills with instructor-led options and ongoing programs for continuous improvement. Flexible and customizable, Cloud Range proactively boosts cyber readiness and measurably reduces risk. This is a simplified view of the comprehensive cyber range program that Cloud Range provides. If you'd like to learn more, please reach out to info@cloudrangecyber.com.